Hey man, we're supposed to get the Tesla today.
Oh, dude, I'm stoked for that.
It's white,
Oh, wow.
like that.
That's cool.
Your Tesla Model S is on its way.
What? That's so fast.
They bring in a flatbed?
I don't know. Isn't it in
weird.
California or something?
No, because we bought it from the local center. So, but I don't know. I didn't know it was even coming.
That's cool.
I better get the money ready.
100,000. We need that down.
All right.
All right.
Where do you want to go first?
I don't know. I'm trying to go to Disney or something, man. Orlando. See how far we can go with the battery.
Dude, this is 2014. The Tesla doesn't have the range.
Oh, maybe something like closer to.
Yeah, maybe in the future it will.
Who's that?
Tesla Model S is on your street. Please go out and greet it. Says it's on our street.
I'm ready.
Please come outside and greet your Tesla.
That's fast.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Holy crap! The car just showed up. There's nobody in here. This is awesome. What is this? This is the buy agreement. It says to take this inside, sign it, and send it back to Tesla with the drone. Okay. Okay, so all I have to do is sign this and put my 100 grand in the envelope. Oh, there's my sales rep's card. That's cool. Well, here goes nothing. Never bought a car like this. So it says just to attach it to the clip. Alright. Okay, I'm letting them know that the deposit's on there and the contract's signed.